Open enrollment period. Although we cannot market it specifically, it is a great opportunity to help more consumers who need your help. Just like AEP, you need to set a game plan for OEP if you truly want to capitalize on it and get as many new sales as possible. Let's review a few ways to fill your calendar and get in front of prospects this OEP. First, prepare your Q1 mailer that you send to your book of business. Make sure to thank them for their trust in you and, of course, their business. Remind them that if they have any questions or issues with their plan, then they have you as a resource. In this mailer, you should also be asking for referrals of friends, loved ones, neighbors, and more. Make sure to include a few business cards in that mailer so they can pass them around. Second, schedule your events. Since you cannot market OEP like you would with AEP, the best way to get leads is to get in front of them. Try out some grassroots marketing. There is no limit to what you can do and achieve by simply setting up a table and bringing a positive attitude. Third, do your traditional prospecting methods. The only difference here from how you would prospect in AEP is that you cannot advertise that Medicare Advantage consumers can change their plan like they would in AEP. But there are still tons of ways to generate interest from consumers and having them pick up their phone. Just be creative. Thank you for stopping by again. If you found this video helpful for you at all, please hit the subscribe button. We have a ton of additional content throughout the rest of our YouTube channel with deep market analysis and also show you ways to positively impact your business. Make sure you pay attention to those notifications so you can be notified when we are dropping new content, and we will see you soon.